Hi, it's Avram Goldhar, and I just want to share one thought to help you focus and get the most out of the day of Rosh Hashana, the 2 days of Rosh Hashana. You know, we all know at the end of the day, we are our choices. The choices we make in life, that's really us. The circumstances that we've been placed in, the resources that we've been given, the results of our choices, what happens, the impact, those are all out of our control. At the end of the day, we are our choices. How we responded in times of opportunity and how we responded when we were challenged. But the fact of the matter is that our choices are defined by our context that we make them in. If the context of our life is that I don't trust, things don't work out, it doesn't really make a difference anyway, who cares about my life? So then the choices we're going to make in that context are going to be dramatically different than the choices we make if we were to live in a context where, wow, I really make a difference. Wow, I can trust. It's worth it. The good I plant will be reaped somehow, some way, even I can't see it. I know it's worth the investment. That's a very different type of context to make your choices within. So Rosh Hashana is the day that we affirm that, hey, we got the greatest opportunity. With God as our king, the master of all existence, we know he takes all our choices and all the good choices we make, they're going to be seeded into reality and they're going to help sprout good things from the existence that he granted us, whether we can see it in the way we want to see it or in a different way, but it's worth it. And that's why Rosh Hashanah is so critical. As we start the new year, we want to choose what context of life do we want our choices to exist within. And we want a world where every choice makes a difference. And that's why the day that we crown the Almighty as King on Rosh Hashanah, the first day of the year, the first 2 days of the year, it's actually in the Torah not called Rosh Hashanah, the first of the year, the head of the year. It's actually called Yom HaZikaron. It's the day of remembrance. Because ultimately in God's world, everything makes a difference. And everything matters. And therefore we should know that whether we were aware or not, how we walked this earth this past year really did make a difference to the Almighty in terms of what he wants to be accomplished in the world. So do we take big steps? Do we take proud steps? Do we take courageous steps? Or do we take steps backwards? Do we retreat? Did we hide? Or just not come out of our shell and whatever? So Yom HaZikaron, Rosh Hashanah, is the greatest opportunity to say, hey, this is the world I want. I want you as our King, the Almighty. I want to live in a world where I know everything is consequential and that you are going to take what I sow and you're going to make us all reap it in a good way, in a healthy way. And then we take the shofar, the vessel by which we coronate the Almighty God, and we blow deep from within because we all yearn more than our words can ever express or our thoughts can ever articulate. Really deep down in our belly is our desire for that type of existence. And that's what the Jewish people have always believed in year after year. And that's why we're still around, because we never give up, knowing that our choices really are powerful, meaningful, consequential. They make a difference and they make the world move forward and ultimately bring the light to the world that we need to bring. So we should all take ownership of this day, make the Almighty our King, your King, make our choices real because they will be remembered. And when we listen to the person blow the shofar in the synagogue, wherever we might be, we should all deep within desire and yearn for what we deeply want all along to live in such a life, in such a world. And then truly we will have a very blessed new year. Shana Tova. May we all be signed and sealed in the book of life.